Yeah, speak easy. Right now we're on tapmilwaukee.com. Soulful experience. How will you be MUC for this? Let's get into it. Yo. On the first day I grabbed a pen and pad to write. The second day I asked, let that be Mike. And a nice little sample of some hip-hop drums. Like Nas, I thank God they blew breath in my lungs. Non-religious, but the vibe got me speaking in tongues. With the goal to have the glow, recognize where I'm from. I wake up in the morning with a few things in mind. Gotta make sure my ladies straight and my girls are doing fine. Then I'm on my daily grind, trying to make a difference. Might as watch on my wrist, but I know time keeps slipping. Even then, I know I'm not exempt. So I ain't ballin' reckless, falling off like Sean Kemp. No offense, we facing immense challenges. Hood rich living in dilapidated palaces, trying to make $1 out of 15 cent. Word to Pac, then the economy crashed like this. Man, just begun. Said I just begun. Yeah. Check. Yo. Yo, on behalf of these beats and myself, we like to welcome y'all to something else. And if you feeling soulful, get a bowl full of this gumbo. Rap without borders, know the Kimbe Matumbo. I'm a microphone fanatic, out of habit. I construct a cinematic, Stephen King on acid. The boy flows like audio blows. Sarah Palin need to be playing me, the ordinary Joe. Oh, no political affiliation, but I put together keynote speeches, no hesitation. It's way different than establishing buzz, cause I solidify myself and I won't budge. Rappers wanna take a jab, but they won't swing. I'm on a different cadence, I'm doing my own thing. And I know why the caged bird sing, cause an uncaged bird is doing the same thing. Yeah. Tap Milwaukee. Said we just begun. Yeah. Yo. Check. This stimulus package is for the soul, just trying to get an encore before the curtains close. That is why I push hard, that's why I got product out. Listen to my records, you will truly know what I'm about. I stand by like I'm on a campaign. People say they want to change, I got the same mind frame. And don't care what party you oppose, it's beyond the Scantron, completed at the pose. Pose for the camera, smile and kiss babies. I ain't saying it's the last days, but times is crazy. Back to the focus, the reason why I wrote this. For freelance writers and bloggers, I like to quote this. I'm just saying this the title of the EP. And this track provided by my man Can Beats. Speak Easy's on the mic and he ain't playing. Maybe not the best selling, but the flow's so telling. I promise. Yeah. TapMilwaukee.com. We just begun. Yes.